Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Dr. Doom in Fortnite. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw Dr. Doom here, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're going to draw in the overall kind of face shape first. This is going to be the side of his head. Just draw 2 lines first. And then we're going to come down and finish up the jaw area first. So now we slant in. And then just close it off. That's going to be the chin. And then from here, we're going to draw in the shape of the hoodie on the inside. So from this little corner right here, just kind of slant up and then round off the top. Once we have this closed off, now let's just extend this line here. So we know this is going to be the hoodie. Just come down to right around the jaw area. Alright, and then from here, now we can draw in the details inside. So from this corner right here, okay, so come to the middle, make a little point. From this point here, we'll slant up. So that's gonna be the mean brow. And now we're gonna draw in the little eye socket area. So just come over here, just curve, all the way out to the side. Okay, so that's gonna be the eye socket. So now let's draw in the eye. We'll make it nice and mean. Just right on the inside right here, just draw a little curve touching the top. And let's finish up the eyeball. I'm just gonna draw in 2 little dots in here. Nice and menacing. Alright, and then from here now I can draw in the nose. From the center here, just come down straight. And then on the bottom, just one very wide rectangle right here. I mean triangle on the bottom. And then from the corner of the triangle, just go up. Just connect to those points right there. Okay, so now let's draw in the mouth. So the mouth right here, just come down right underneath the nose. Just one little angle like this. And then on the ends, just slant down. Draw one line across here. This is going to be the mouth opening. And then for the lower lip, just gonna draw a shorter line. And let's give him, it looks like he's got some brackets in there. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm just gonna draw like 3 lines in here. Okay, and then let's see, to finish up the face, let's go ahead and add some detail right here. Right on the cheekbone right here, just draw 2 lines coming in. Come down. And then just go out. Just connect to the kind of jaw right here. Alright, so that's gonna be the mask. So let's finish up the hoodie. So just come out to the side right here. We'll go up. And then on the top right here, just a little peak. Alright, and then let's start on the outside line right here. Come all the way down. This is gonna be his chest area. And then from this corner here, just connect to the middle, so nice and sharp. Okay, and then on the inside, right here, I'm just gonna draw one curve. So armor on the inside. And then from the jawline right here, just draw 2 little lines like this. And then one more detail on the neck, so just 2 lines in the center right here, or in the middle. Alright, yeah, very cool looking head. So now let's come down to the body. Right around here, it's gonna be his shoulder, nice and wide. Slant down, all the way down to his waist. Just come in slightly. And leave a little bit of space right here. We're gonna draw one curve going up. Then we'll turn that into a circle. So nice and big. Let's see, let's go ahead and add some detail right here. We'll just add another circle inside, so this part's easy. So we're gonna finish up the belt. So just come down, just go into the circle. Okay, so let's see. All right, let's go ahead and add in some details right here. Just one little angle so that we can finish up with the belt. Let's see, finish up here. Just one straight line. Okay, so let's add in the arms, and then we'll come back in and finish up the details on the clothing here. So on the shoulder right here, it's gonna have a really big shoulder pad. Just curve out. Come back in, so this is gonna be his armpit right here. Let's draw in the bicep area from the armpit. Curve. Just a little bracket like this. Close it off. Let's draw in the same thing here. Bracket, bracket, and then close it off. Lower arm. We'll flare this out from here, curve down, and this one's gonna be straight down. Close it off, so we're right around here. flare out, curve, and then this one straight down. Just use the other side for reference, close it off. And let's go ahead and add in the fist. So right here, his thumb, it's one little hook coming in. Here's the back of the fist. So come down right around here, and now I'm just gonna dip it down, come back up into the thumb. And right here, just one little line for the other fingers. Okay, same thing here. One little hook for the thumb, back of the fist, down and hook it up. And then again, one little line. Okay, so now that we have the overall shape here, let's add in some cool looking details to the upper body. Right here, I'm just gonna add a circle. And then right here, just a little bracket like this. On the arm right here, just 2 lines. On the bicep area, I mean. And then right here, just add a little triangle. Yeah, it looks a lot cooler this way, right? With all those little details. And then right on the edge right here on the side, just one little curve. Alright, and then for the clothing from the armpit right here, just continue with this curve. Let's draw a little curve coming down right to the belt. Alright, so now let's draw the lower body. It's got some cloth right here, we'll flare this out. Close it off. And then right here, we'll just continue this little detail right here, this line. Come all the way down. Okay, so let's come down here. Let's start on the outside. Just come down slightly, this is gonna be his knee right here. Here's the middle. Just come out here. You make 2 little points. Curve. And then a little slant. So this side is going this way and this one's gonna go up this way. Alright, and then now for the knee right here, just one big rectangle. So just extend the line and then just draw a rectangle. So let's keep going down. One more section right here, a smaller one. It's gonna be a lot of these little sections right here. And then now for the bottom right here, extend this and then draw a curve going this way. And then just kind of close it off with a slight curve going up. So we'll extend this line, curve, close it with a slight curve going up. Okay, and then now for the shoes, just come down and this side's gonna go out. Come all the way down. It's got those really thick soles, so we're gonna make this a little bit thicker here. Come down, come out on this side a little bit more. Close it off. And then again, those thick soles right here. Just draw 2 lines. And then on the inside, I'm just gonna draw 2 rectangles. Alright, so that's gonna be his legs, and then lastly we're just gonna draw in, looks like it's got a holster on the side right here on the belt. Just go out, come down, and then just go back into the body. And that is it for this very cool looking Dr. Doom. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.